Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I do is obviously make my bed, and then I change into more comfortable clothes and head to the bathroom to freshen up. Recently, I've been obsessed with the Estee Lauder 2-in-1 Nutritious Cleanser. It honestly makes my skin feel so good and smooth. And I decided to make a sleek ponytail for today, so I'm using the Veda Botanical Bonding Cream. And then I take care of my baby hairs, and then I head to my room for my morning skincare. I started off with the Nutritious Essence Lotion by Estee Lauder. And oh my god, you guys, this caffeine eye cream by the Inculus is literally amazing. It's perfect for people who suffers with eye bags like me. And it's good for brightening your under eyes, so I've been currently using this. Then I would go in with the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. You guys, this moisturizer is amazing for my dry skin girlies and oily skin girlies because it's super lightweight and hydrating. Don't get me started with their sunscreen. Guys, it's literally amazing and leaves a glass skin look on your face. It's also super hydrating, and I have linked these products in my description box, so feel free to click in and use my code. And now I'm all done, ready to greet my Bella baby. She's such a cutie pie, oh my god, you guys. Usually for breakfast, I would have a toast with jam and butter, but today, I felt like having something fresh since it's so hot these days. So I peeled some cucumber into noodle-like shapes, added some Greek yogurt, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. And it was delicious. Then I head to my room for an unboxing video. So I just received the coolest package from Pink Gelac, and oh my god, let's open this together. So they have really good nail products, and they've given me a detail brush and a dotting tool. So this is really helpful if you love doing nail art or would like to practice it at home, which I would love. So I received this package this morning and I really wanted to open it with all of you guys. So let's start off with this. Oh wow. It's their nail polish in the color Crushed Crystal. Oh, this looks so pretty. Wait. I just got... Oh my god, you guys. Gorgeous this is. I can't wait to try these out. So I'm going to be posting a video using their products soon on my channel. So let's open up this together. I'm super excited. Oh my god. Oh man. So these are their gel nails, and they've given me a nail prep, the base coat, the top coat, and a cuticle oil. Just look at this. Honestly, I really suck when it comes to painting my nails. So I'm left-handed. So when I have to paint on my right hand, it's good. But once it goes to the opposite hand, it looks like someone just shat on my hand. So I gotta practice, but I'll be making a video on this super soon and hopefully I do great. Oh, this is so cute. They give you a whole kit with these false nails and tools in. The box is super cute. So. You couldn't even see what's inside. I gave you guys the first one. Okay, this is the nail cleanser, and this is a gel polish remover. Okay. Oh, a box and another box in. This unboxing video is so chaotic. I'm sorry guys, but I think I'm a little bit too excited for this. Can't open it. What the hell? This is so hard to open. What the heck? Yes, finally I managed to open this. Oh, this is so cute, and it's in my favorite color, pink. This is my first time actually seeing a pink LED lamp, because whenever I go to the nail salon, it's usually white, and this looks so cute and aesthetically pleasing. I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, so I unboxed this with you guys, and this is the PR I've gotten today. So I'm going to make sure to post a YouTube video on how to use these products after I read the manual card myself. So let's do this together. On my next video, I'm going to notify you on my Instagram story. So follow me. It's Sana Ali on Instagram. Now, so today I went to the city and guess what I found? I might be super late to this, but NYX released their Epic Ink Liners, and you guys know in most of my makeup looks, the eyeliner I would usually use is the NYX Epic Ink Liner since it's so good and it doesn't smudge, it's waterproof, and it's amazing. And I was so happy to see that they released it in different colors. So I got it in the shade red and yellow, and I'm so excited to use this and make such a cool eye look. And I couldn't wait, and I wanted to try these out right now and make a video on these. Anyways, let's get started. Oh my god, you guys, I am obsessed with these new eyeliners, you guys. I just tried them out on my TikTok, so oh my god, I'm obsessed with how my eyes look. Absolutely love these new NYX liners. You guys should give them a try and let me know. After my unboxing video, I headed out and started to create content for TikTok and Instagram. And this is one of my most favorite parts of the day because I love creating content for you guys and brands. And I wanted to show you guys a glimpse of what I created that day for Douglas. So enjoy this little clip. And this is the final look. It was a latte girl inspired makeup look. After I'm done unboxing and creating content, I headed out and started studying for my university, completing my assignments and practicing for my upcoming German exam. And here's me happy that I'm all done. So my husband Emmer took me out for ice cream, and oh my god, this banana split was to die for. And just look at Bella's face right now. And then I went on a walk, and surprisingly the weather was really good. Just look at how calming and beautiful this area is. For dinner, we headed out to our favorite Vietnamese restaurant in Erlangen. It's called Pho Hanoi and it's halal too, which is amazing. Here's a clip of me devouring these rice paper rolls.
I just wanna play in the play. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. Tuesday like restaurant bad, let me take you shopping. I told him mama, he said that I'm in your city. So well, he said cash out Brazil. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'm still I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up my mistakes. Everywhere I go, I call and they drop the love.
And now I'm back home and I changed into my pajamas. And here is me taking out my skincare products needed for my nighttime routine. And I love every single one of these. I literally look so dead here, like someone just punched me in the face. But honestly, y'all, I was super tired and I have a huge video to edit tomorrow, so I am super exhausted. After I was done, I headed up to my bed and started reading a few pages to The Invincible Life of Addie LaRue. And I think I'm super late to this, but so far it's really interesting. And that's all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content.